Hello guys, so here we go, day one. So basically what I'm going to do in this particular episode is show you the program or the syllabus basically that I'm going to be working with for the next hopefully less than 90 days. As of now, I only have about an hour, maybe 2 hours to put towards it a night because I do work late. But on the weekends, I'll probably push out more chunks. So what I basically want to show today, like I said, is just going to be the syllabus that I will be working off of. So it's going to be more of a combination of Udemy, and then I also have Udacity. But I'm waiting to see if they'll give me the scholarship for the tech degree. If they don't, that's perfectly fine because I can still take their course. I just won't have the grading part. So this course on Udemy was highly rated as far as like having like the most views and success and everything like that. So let's head on over here to the three ones that I have. So I have the code camp boot camp for Python, which I messed around with maybe a week ago. And then I have the web development one. So I want to start with the web development one because web dev is something you can kind of work on all the time, opposed to where Python is going to have a more of a learning curve as far as it's making it functional and things like that. Both of these programs have a ton, like an absolute ton of actual content in them and projects and stuff like that. So what I want to do is I'm just going to show, kind of give you an idea. As you can see here, course content is just kind of give us an idea of what I'm going to be doing over this first hour, because all of this is about an hour. And then section two, because it's supposed to be set up like an hour a day or something along those lines. So I'm familiar with a lot of with HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap and stuff like. Well, not Bootstrap, I lie. But CSS, HTML, I'm familiar with. I've also kind of dabbled in JavaScript. But as I scroll up, you see that we do get an introduction to Bootstrap, and then Bootstrap 4. And then this is likely going to be project where I'm going to create a website. Then we move into JavaScript, and then more projects that you kind of deal with, and then we jump into jQuery, and this is all of the front end stuff. This is all of the front end stuff. So it's really important that I get this stuff down because while my job I work server side, I don't generally want to be too hardcore server side on web dev because it's a lot of effort that goes into it. But this particular one, the complete 2022 web development bootcamp, this one will take me into a lot of back end stuff. And like I said, this is paced to be about 90 days, but it shouldn't take as long if I could throw more time into it on the weekends, and preferably at night. But my plan is to get started on it. I do have to kind of look up the rules to see if I can actually stream this content without getting any kind of strikes or anything like that on it. If I can, then I would prefer to just have a stream going live, me listening to Dr. Angela Wu or you about the course, and then working through the projects. I do have a second screen, so I want to get that into my. I'm using OBS to stream, so I do want to get that into my stream as well, so that I can have content here and then the coding and stuff here, because it gets really really annoying to have the content on one side of the screen, and then have everything on one side of the screen. That's why I have two screens. So I do want to try to take advantage of that. But that's what we got for today. I will probably try to live stream tomorrow night with the actual content once I have the go ahead, or just to make sure I'm not going to be getting any strikes or anything. Streams will be pretty much me just working on the content. So if that's what you want to see, then that's what you'll actually see. I will have a chat interface enabled, so I can actually see what people are saying while I'm live. get pointers and things like that. And perfect. That's basically all I have for today. This will be video 2 in the series of my programming journey.